How to fix the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer in Windows 11. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message that says, the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer in Windows 11. So if you're trying to open or preview a PDF or any other file and this warning keeps popping up, follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's get started. First, go to the file that's showing the warning. Right-click on it and select Properties. At the bottom of the window, look for an option called Unblock. If you see it, check the box, then click Apply and OK, and that should remove the warning immediately. If you don't see the Unblock option, don't worry. Here's the second method. In the same Properties window, click Advanced. Now find the option that says Encrypt Contents to Secure Data. If it's checked, uncheck it, click OK, then Apply and OK again. And that's it. After doing this, your file should open or preview without any problem. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have any questions.